These are the FloraCraft Floral Shears. And what is great about these is you can really use it for your simple stems, but they have an awesome range of other items like vines and other decorative meshing. So this is gonna be more of like your accent shear. This is gonna be for when you wanna elevate that arrangement with some more decorative vibes, and then also your basic stems. What's nice about this blade is it's not just a straight cut, it actually has some movement into the blade. So it's gonna really help when you're using those like mesh or vines. It's durable, and it'll always be like a go-to grab and go. What's great about FloraCraft is they've been around for so long. They'll probably have a product that really fits your needs. Who I would recommend use this product is really anybody that has florals in your house. It's a great household staple to make sure you're using a floral shear for your florals and those stems and your decorative items.
Are you looking for more product advice and wisdom from me?
Or me?
Or me?
Hit that subscribe button or head over to thedesirecompany.com for more classes, how-tos, and reviews.